If you look at this problem in the AP, 100 times the 100th term is equal to 50 times the 50th term. Then what is the 150th term of the AP is the question asked. So 100, we know the formula for the nth term of the AP, right? An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So I can say a plus 100 minus 1 times d. And it's told in the problem that the common difference should not become equal to 0. Non-zero common difference is told in the problem. That is equal to 50 times a plus 50 minus 1 times d. Correct or not? So I can say 2, because 51s are 52s are. A plus 99d, that is equal to a plus 49d. So 2a plus 198d, that is equal to a plus 49d. 2a minus a, that is equal to 49 minus 198d. 49d minus 198d. So your answer to the question A, that is equal to 198 minus 49. 198 minus 49. So 9. 8 minus 4 is 4. 149. 149d. A is equal to minus 149d. Now the 150th term of the AP can be written as a plus 150 minus 1 times d. What is that value of a is equal to minus 149d plus 149d. Correct or not? Basically what happens to this particular answer will become equal to 0. So answer to the question A 150 will be equal to what? 0 will be the answer.